The Marxist debate between whether economic conditions change consciousness or consciousness changes economic conditions is a non-issue because they both simultaneously manifest one another. It's a single system. To suggest otherwise is a dualist perspective, which is no longer tenable. You could theoretically go all the way back to pre-social construct humans, but I don't think you would be able to call them humans because one of the things that fundamentally defines human beings is the socially constructed nature of our psychological experience. And even in those situations, the perceptual experiences of animals changes the nature of physical reality. A beautiful example of this is the symbiotic relationship and evolutionary process of insects and plants. The reason that flowers are so colourful is because of the insects, and the reason that insects are interested in colour is because of the flowers. And they've evolved together. It is one unified system based on perception and physical reality, simultaneously reconstructing, reinforcing, and interacting with one another. You can take this all the way back to quantum physics with like Wheeler's idea of a participatory universe rather than us being a static and disconnected observers of the universe. Observation of the universe changes the nature of the universe. Similarly, Karen Barad talks about agential realism, which is another interpretation of the same sort of thing. Not that I was able to finish Barad's book, it was heavy going. Now, obviously, I don't come at this from the perspective of political philosophy. I don't read a huge amount of Marxism, though I read a lot of stuff that is influenced by Marx, and a lot of the people who I am influenced by are card-carrying Marxists, but I would be interested to hear if I have misinterpreted this debate. For example, it's clear that Gramsci thought about this a great deal and included the socially constructed nature of reality in the material reality, which is a kind of monism, and I think we have a slightly more developed scientific and philosophical method of understanding that currently.